the 15-bed capacity for SKF clinic, because one room now, I would say even cubicle, it's not proper, it's not befitting. Now, we share the surrounding villages now, and so our intent was to come and put up some 15-bed capacity wards. But who say the former member of parliament, Honorable Kokwajima Manu, a project we are here for very long time. Na skeletal enti me call me beside you say a honey maternity ward nana usiame. But me call the existing maternity facility no. Let me put it blankly, it was an eyesore. Enti se wa mfeni na udu irechi no baba you run away from the facility. Enti me who say na adwea yedi si we na facility maternity no. I decided say be it as it is. Your project no ye best start on a slow basis. Na ya concentrated to finish this one, which President John Dramani Mahama referred to the legacy project. It's a project that Ghanaians' money have sunk into, and so we should not let it go rotten. And then quickly, me decided as a sadia, me part of MP's common fund on GET fund. I'll use part to complete this one. Now, yetimi quickly no ye ma me no ye yire no no abaha ama at least uba mfremano krefa hono kwa timiji wa wo be 30% of the push na fi ye nurses ne ye doctors no de omo ho de aboa, and that is it. Ye buy na ye totals wa ha ade ane ya answer structure ne sia, no POP, no ceiling, no door, no windows, electrical works not done, nothing. The plumbing works were also not being attended to, but we decided say be, and with the support of my municipal chief executive, yes ye we na say ensure ni ha ye de bema ye ma no, because maternity needs water, and a project na ye be no so at least as say amanfo ho ha, and that is the main reason why quickly no odimilika ama ya be see pipe no ana say bohu e wa ha say be ya at least ye be timi anya nsuo e de aye dwumadi a akare na.